We will firstly look at the fat separator. This is situated on the bottom right hand side of the Roastrunner oven. This is it here. To take the lid off, we will open the door, swing the gantry out to get this black tray out of the road so the lid can be easily removed. Lift the lid up and slide it forward. Here we can see the inside of the fat separator, and we have plenty of fluid in there. Knowing that there is fluid in the fat separator, we will now get into diagnostics and check the readings. Tap on settings, tap on diagnostics, enter the pin. Turn the fat probe power on first. You see we have 23.7 volts beside the fat probe power button. On the left hand side of the screen here we can see fat probe 1 and fat probe 2. We know that the fat separator is full of fluid, so the very bottom of that should be water, and we can see the values here reflect that. These values should be below 600. We will now test the separator valve and drain. To do this, we come to the separator valve section here. Press on dump. You should hear the motor actuated valve turn. And as we come down and look into the fat separator, we should see the fluid levels drop. Drain approximately half the fluid from the tank, then come back up and push close. We are now going to test the separator pump. To turn the pump on, tap on separator pump. Tap on it to stop. What the separator pump does is it pumps fluid from the fat separator tank to these two buckets. Run the separator pump for approximately 10 seconds. Check to make sure that fat is going into both buckets. Fat should fill both buckets evenly. As we can see here, one side is filling more than the other, so the nozzle that fills these buckets is blocked. To remedy this problem, get the floor cleaning hose and blast through the nozzles. For bucket nozzles that are blocked, like this one is, take the floor cleaning hose and blow it through the nozzles. Drain the remaining fluid in the fat separator to the fat collection buckets. Tap on separator pump. Now open the separator valve. Press dump. This will open the valve at the back of the fat separator and drain the remaining fluid to drain. We will now go down and clean out the fat separator. As we can see, this fat separator is particularly dirty. It has fat on all of the walls and it's all crusted up on the floor. So take the floor cleaning hose and clean it out. Hose down all the walls. It may be necessary to put your hand in and actually remove some of the fat deposits as they get to the bottom of the tank. Some of them are quite solid. Using a green scourer, clean the 3 fat probes. These are situated at the back of the fat tank here. Clean these 3 probes, being particularly sure that we clean all the way to the top and the underside here, so the probes cannot carbon part to the outer tank. With the tank empty, we can see that the probes are reading around the 40,000 value. This means that there is nothing in the tank and it is only reading thin air. This also means that between the probe and the tank there is no shortcut reading caused by filth and carbon buildup. This is the two-way valve at the back of the fat separator. Every 18 months or third service, undo this cam lock fitting, get the floor clean hose and blow back into the tank to clean the valve with the valve in the open position, and clean out all of these fittings all the way to the tongue dish.